For example, LinkedIn case. So LinkedIn is a Web2 social media platform, right? Connecting different professionals across the world. And if you think about it, with Web2 model, what is happening right now, let's assume you gathered a lot of followers, you've created a lot of content. And the problem here with Web2 model is that you are not owner of this content, you are not the owner of your followers base, you are not the owner of your profile. So the whole time that you put into creating this profile on LinkedIn social network, it's invested in the fact that you are not owning that. So from whatever reason, if LinkedIn decides that you will be no longer part of the platform, you are losing it. If from whatever reason you will decide that you would like to move to different social media platform, you are going to start from scratch, which is of course not something that we would like to do if we invested our time and even a couple of years building a proper social media presence. So if you will imagine LinkedIn from the Web3 perspective, how it will be different. So first of all, what you can see here, like the first layer are users, okay? That's simple. Then there is the client layer, and here the client means still the interface. But now from Web3 perspective, as you can see, there are many different clients, meaning that there are many different front ends that users can interact with. So in the Web3 world, LinkedIn from the interface perspective will be just one of the many possible clients that you are interacting with. From you as a creator perspective, it's important because in a Web3 world, LinkedIn as a business logic will lay as a protocol of smart contracts that anyone can use. What does it mean? When you build your whole audience, when you create all of your content, you have all of your followers, this exists on smart contract layers, this exists on digital asset layer, this exists on the blockchain layer. So when you look at it on the client and smart contracts and blockchain layer side, what you can do, you can say, okay, LinkedIn, you as a client, it's not something that I want to use anymore because I don't like your new policy. I want to switch the client. There is new client. There is some different team that created the client for the same business logic, or maybe they even improved that. So I'm going to move. And when I will move, I'm moving together with all of my followers, all of my content, and all of the track record that I created across the years. So I will just switch to the client, meaning that everything is going together with me. My community is still able to interact with my content through even different clients of their choice, and I still have all of the assets that I gathered through the time. So this is the main difference between Web2 and Web3 model. And also on top of that, we can even think about further enhancements with digital assets, DAO governance, and so on.